Well, today I'm going to show you how to change a broken screen on a digital camera. And here's my camera, and you can see the effect. There's a crack at the top of the screen and it causes a white bar, as well as you can see where the crack is as well. That's blank. So first of all, you need to take the batteries and the memory out of the camera, and then you need to unscrew the camera. And I've already started doing this, but there are these two screws in the middle at the bottom, which you can just see there, and those screws have a triangular head, and you need a special screwdriver to undo them. And I don't know if you can see the end of the screwdriver is triangular. So we undo these screws, and then we need to prise the case apart. And we start at this corner here. I'll just show you. And then this end piece comes out. Then we need another tool. We have a special plastic tool, and this tool goes in this little indent here and levers the case open. And then we move it round the edges and open up the battery compartment and continue to go around with the tool. Now the case is removed. I've just removed the back half. That should be all we need. So there's the screen, and it just unclips like that, and it's attached to a cable. Now it looks like to unplug the cable I have to take off this piece of metal which is underneath the screen. There were just 4 screws holding this piece of metal on. It's the last screw coming out now. This piece of metal is bonded to a piece of conductive tape. You can just see there. I'll make sure the tape stays connected. I need to carefully tear off this piece of electrical screening tape. You can just see there. I need to peel that off the connector, and we'll put that aside for safekeeping. This connector has a black part to it. I don't know if you can see that there, just here. And that black part needs to be pulled outwards. Actually it hinges upwards, and now the screen connector can be removed. Here's the new screen. We need to put it in the same way round, so that it's like this. time I'm waggling this connection until the white line goes in as far as possible and that it looks straight. And I'll fold the lid back on this connector again. Let's just give that another try. Good, and that appears to be working. So turn it off. Take the batteries out. I'll put back the screening piece that I removed. That's goes like so. And then this metal screening plate goes over the top. So I'll find the screws for that and put it back. So we just push the screen in like so, clip it in place, right, that's better. So now I put the screen on, it fits like that with the cable folded out of the way of the buttons. And now we can put the back cover on. I just checked that all the buttons appear to click. That's good. Screw it back together. We'll put the batteries and the memory card back in and give it a try. And there we go. Very good. And that's how you replace the screen in a Fuji digital camera. Thanks for watching.